Say, come on, puppies! What do you think, Jamal?
Hard to put it in gear.
What do you think? How's it feel for your first ride?
Feels interesting. We don't have a lot of, I need to do, the synchro's got to get quite a bit looser for it to go into gear at rest. It's really hard to grab a gear. Like there's third, and I've got to shut it off. I had to bring it to a
Sounded
stop.
good.
I know. I'm idling around in circles. It's pretty cool. It's funny with the dogs though. Following me around in circles. I'd rather go. We've got plenty of gas and the brakes work.
Let's go to the
Should we
park
go
and
around the
back.
park real quick?
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to hang on to the dogs if we take them. They got to.